It's Margarita, and I am back with another review from the wonderful, exclusive, luxurious, beautiful House of Sillage. I cannot get over the wonderful presentation of House of Sillage. There are very few fragrance houses that can present and bring it like they bring it. Very few. Usually the packaging, you want to throw it away. Not House of Sillage. Nope, you want to keep it. Look at how cute this is. They have a new Gourmand fragrance collection that they rolled out, and I am all over it. I blind bought the entire collection because I'm like, it's got to be good. House of Sillage has wonderful quality. They have beautiful presentation, and they have an exclusive following. And I love having something that most people don't have. Icy hard candy. Look at this beautiful blue. It just says icy and cold and winter. It's got candy and lollipops all over the adornment here on the cap, and of course about 150 Swarovski crystals to boot. The presentation alone is worth the bottle. But you know, at the end of the day, it's all about the scent. Atomizers are amazing. One spritz will cover a whole body basically if you do it right. The atomizer is very powerful. But while this is drying down, let's see what the notes are. Clove, red berries, pomelo, dahlia, tuberose, ylang ylang, patchouli, Madagascar vanilla, and sandalwood. Now just off these notes, the profile says unisex to me. It is very deep. This is a dark Gourmand. It's almost like a melted popsicle. I kind of like it. Men could pull this one off very easily. Now, granted, my husband did not like it. To him, he said it smelled like bathroom freshener or a bathroom cleaner. That is what he said. That's what he said. What I say is give it a try. It is syrupy. So I do get that vibe from, and it's got some type of bite to it. Let me see what's causing that bite. Now the clove is what makes it lean masculine to me, and that and the patchouli, and then the sandalwood. Sandalwood in the base is a beautiful, warm grounding. So although this says icy and cold, that sandalwood warms it up just a bit. And I can't stop smelling my hand. This is not an everyday wear. This is great if you have someone who is a younger person that wears this, because it's bubbly and it's juicy. Like my mouth is literally watering smelling this. Just so you know, taste and smell are related. Sometimes you smell something and it will trigger an actual digestive response. So that's what happens, especially with a lot of Gourmand fragrances. It's not bad. It does not smell like bathroom cleaner. So I don't know what he was smelling that day, but everyone's body chemistry is different. And that's the thing too. Do not be put off by one person's experience of a fragrance, because you are two different people. You have two different chemistries, and something can smell amazing on one person and smell like hot garbage on the other. You really have to get personal with a fragrance, and don't let reviews deter you from trying something that interests you. Please take reviews with a grain of salt when it comes to bad or good. Just take it for information and use it at your discretion. It's not bad. It's got a very ominous, dark vibe to it, if that makes any sense. Like frozen, icy, cold. It's not an inviting fragrance. So maybe that's where they got the iciness from, because it smells good. It's sweet. It's not a weather-like cold fragrance, but it does kind of seem like exclusive, like unapproachable. If you are that person who does not want to be friendly in a setting, or you want to be distinguished, I would say wear this. This will not draw in everybody. Interesting. So as this develops, it's got some facets to it. This is probably the most sophisticated of the three from that collection. So if you want something with some depth, something with some unisex quality, and something that says, tread with caution, go for this one. But let me know, have you tried anything from the new Atelier collection? I'd love to hear about it in the comments. Also, if you would like a decant of this or any other fragrance on this channel, if I have it in my collection, it's on my website, whistlenotes.com. And until next time, I am Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.